Hello, friends. This is Mirjan Hippolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we're going to talk about exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, and why they're considered an excellent tool for beginner investors. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is an investment fund whose shares are traded on a stock exchange just like regular stocks. The structure of an ETF usually replicates a selected underlying index, allowing investors to earn returns that mirror the performance of that index. Benefits of ETFs for beginner investors. Diversification and risk management. By investing in an ETF, you're purchasing a share of a portfolio that includes a variety of assets, which helps reduce the risk of losses from fluctuations in individual securities. Low fees. ETFs are typically passively managed, tracking an index, which helps keep management costs low. The average management fee for ETFs ranges from 0.1 to 0.3%, while active mutual funds may charge up to 1 to 2%. Transparency and liquidity. The composition of an ETF portfolio is usually publicly available and updated daily, ensuring transparency. High liquidity allows investors to buy and sell ETF shares at any time during the trading day. Accessibility for beginners. ETFs offer entry into the market, even with small capital. Many ETFs have a per-share cost of under $100, making them accessible to retail investors. Disadvantages of ETFs. Tracking error risk. Sometimes, an ETF may not fully replicate the index's performance due to operational costs or management inefficiencies. For example, if the index grows by 10%, but the ETF rises only by 9.8%, it may disappoint investors expecting perfect alignment.
Can I receive dividends from ETF investments?
Yes. Many ETFs distribute dividends received from the stocks in their portfolio.
How do I choose the right ETF to invest in?
It's recommended to consider factors such as fund liquidity, historical performance, management fees, and alignment with your investment strategy and goals.
What risks are associated with investing in ETFs?
Besides tracking error, ETFs are exposed to market risks related to price fluctuations of the underlying assets. In conclusion, ETFs are an efficient and accessible tool for beginner investors, helping to diversify portfolios and reduce risks. However, it's important to thoroughly analyze selected funds and keep your investment goals in mind. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Traders Union channel to stay updated on various investment instruments and make informed financial decisions. See you next time.